There are several groups of gymnosperm alive today. Cycads have large, complex leaves. They resemble palms, but they are actually gymnosperms. Ginkgos have deciduous leaves which turn color and drop in autumn and resemble those of flowering plants, but nevertheless they are gymnosperms. And these leaves of these gymnosperms, ginkgos and cycads, are obviously larger with many branches of their vascular tissue inside. Here in these microscopic images of ginkgo leaves, you can observe not only that there is vascular tissue, which is easy to see because the thick-walled tracheids in the xylem here are staining red in the interior of the leaf. You can see that there are multiple veins, so it is not simply one vein of vascular tissue in the leaf, but multiple ones. Among the group of gymnosperms known as conifers, however, the leaves are often reduced to form needles or scale-like structures which are much smaller. This has adapted them to northern climates because in the north, water is often frozen, and by reducing the surface area of a leaf, this will limit water loss. Also, in the north, since snow is common, these thin needles do not accumulate snow on top of them, which would cause the weight of the snow to threaten to break the branches. And so conifers have evolved a much smaller leaf, which have adapted them to certain habitats, such as the northern latitudes where they are most common. Under the microscope, you can observe that some pine needles have multiple vascular bundles with veins of vascular tissue passing through them, such as Araucaria, which is a pine from southern continents such as South America, which was once more widespread throughout the world. But many conifer needles have only a single vascular bundle passing through them since they are so narrow. Now, this is interesting since lycopods, a more primitive group of plants, have very small leaves with only a single vascular bundle and are known as microphylls. The seed plants evolved as what some call megaphylls, more complex leaves with multiple vascular bundles passing through them. But in conifers, these larger leaves have then been adapted for colder climes and now may be microphyllous once again. So this would be a secondary change to have only a single tube of vascular tissue passing through it.